What is up, you guys? We are back with another video. Today, we're trying MREs. We have menu 17, pork sausage patty maple flavored. Not sure how that sounds, but we can take it out of the package. We have, what is this? Crackers. We have, this might be the pork sausage, I'm not sure. Oh, yep, maple pork sausage. Wheat snack bread. Table syrup. Peanut butter. A spoon. Almonds, okay. We have a beverage bag. I have a water bottle, so we won't be using this. I don't know what this is. This is like some random stuff. This is the powder for the drinks. We pour that into here and it makes things. Warm up thing, pork sausage. It's like a little hot pocket. Okay, so let's get MREs ready to eat. I don't know how to open this. We'll be right back. Okay, here is everything laid out. I have the sausage warming up. That shouldn't take too long. Let's do the it looks like Gatorade pretty much. Carbohydrate electric. Yeah, it's a Gatorade, is what it is. So we can open this up. It smells kind of good. Maybe not. Let's see, how much do we use? 12 ounces. I don't know what this is. This is 16, so let's... We have this mixed in. Now we shake. I'll let that mix for a second. Now that we have everything warming up and our drink is mixed, we can open the wheat snack bread. I'm not sure what the TS stands. Oh, it's just bread. Tastes like normal bread. Maybe we'll try some peanut butter. If it opens. Oh, come on. Smells like normal peanut butter. It tastes like peanut butter and bread. That's about it. We can try smoked almonds. Doesn't taste too bad, actually. Have like a, I don't know, some type of taste. What is this? This is a cracker. Let's see. Let's see if it's all in one tact. Oh. Huh. It tastes like almost like an unsalted Ritz cracker. Kind of boring, actually. It doesn't taste like much. It's not bad, actually. Is it warming up? Maybe not. I actually kind of like the peanut butter. I'm gonna keep eating. Ooh. Let's maybe try it on a cracker. Oh, it's not bad. It's pretty decent, actually. I'm sure this isn't the worst one. Like, I'm sure I could have worse ones. Let's... yeah, everything tastes okay right now. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's heating up. Maybe, let's see what's in the condiment package, I guess. I don't know what this technically is. Does it open? I'll just rip it open. We have creamer, non-dairy. That's good for coffee. We have sugar. Oh, instant coffee. I don't know, is this just... Looks like you just pour it in. A pack of gum. We have some, what is this? Oh, a few matches. Oh, cool. I don't think I really need these, but kind of cool that came with it. What is this? Salt, a moist towelette, and it looks like cotton. Yeah, like probably to light the fire. Yeah, that's not bad. Let's see what this tastes like. That's not bad either. I probably should have poured the whole thing actually, I think, but well, it's not bad. Kind of like it. Yeah. None of this is bad. Ooh. See the steam? It's actually really hot. So we'll be right back when the pork sausage is done. It finished already? It's only been like 2 seconds. Okay, so it hasn't heated all the way, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So let's, take it out of the scalding hot bag. Probably a better way to do this, but paper plate. Okay. Let's hope that this turns out okay. Oh. That does not look good. That doesn't smell good either. Here's a good look at it. Oh. And half of it's still cold. Okay, let's do it. It doesn't taste like much of anything, actually. Like, you get a little sausage flavor. You don't get much maple at all. Let's stick some of the There was a syrup packet. I don't know if y'all can read that. Table syrup is what it says. Let's try a little bit of that on there. See how that looks. If it'll open. No? Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm blocking it. Just pour a bunch of syrup on there. Let's see if that makes it any better. Actually, the syrup makes it better. The syrup actually gives it some, I don't know, sweetness. Like, doesn't have much of anything. Just, it's really plain. It's not bad though. I will say it's not the worst. I'm sure there are. I've heard vegetarian omelet is the worst. If IB's watching this is for IB, as he said the omelet's the worst. But it's really not bad. Like if I was out in the field doing military work, whatever that means, I'd most likely eat this. That's really good for what it is. Like, of course, there's better food now, but it's really not bad. Here's some of the orange drink. Pretty much orange Gatorade is what it is. Tastes a little, doesn't have as much flavor as the orange Gatorade, but what else do we have? We had the creamer, coffee. I might do a coffee try one day. Not today, because we can try the packs of gum. Cinnamon flavored. It's really good. Overall, really not a bad try.